started off in the mobile advertising industry. So after a year or so, we realized that we are going nowhere because the market is too saturated. But over the 1 year, we realized 3 issues that the advertising industry is facing right now. The advertiser, they are not reaching to the audience directly because they have to go through a third party like a publisher, so they have to like reach out to 1 million users, they have to go through 100 different publishers. And for the user, I believe most of you are getting annoyed by ads on your applications or mobile apps on the website. And for the developers, the issue they are facing right now is they can't monetize from their huge user base without having to resort to displaying ads. So we thought of this crazy idea, and we are still trying to build on this idea. So I'm actually trying to get feedback from the audience. So we are trying to build this platform that user will come to our platform to view ads instead of us trying to push ads to the people. Okay, so every time a user comes to our come to our platform to view an advertisement, so the user will get a cut of the revenue that we get from the advertiser, and the publisher will also get a cut of the revenue we get from the advertiser. So in a sense, we're trying to solve the problems that the publisher, let's say for newspaper, your mobile apps, they don't have to display ads anymore, but they can still earn revenue. Okay, so right now, I guess the main question is how do we get people like all of you? Why will you, if you hate ads, right? Why will you come to our platform to view ads? So, of course, in the end, we'll try to build a culture, a community to encourage all these publishers to go ad-free. And as a consumer, the least that we can do is we just go to a platform and spend 5-10 seconds or probably a minute. And it's like Tinder, you just see the ads, you just swipe if you don't like it. And somehow that action alone, right, it will help the publisher to get some money instead of them displaying ads. And for your side, on the bigger picture, it's definitely building a ad-free world, if that's my vision. For this moment, I mean, definitely in long run, we have some anti-fraud software to detect all the frauds, but yeah, that's something we have to look into. As in right now, this idea is just a week old. So right now, the initial phase, we are trying to go to like developers. They have some developers, they have very strong principle. I don't want any ads on my app. So these are the developers we will be working with in the initial phase. Because right now they have an app and it's free, but they don't want any advertisement. So what we offer them is another method of earning revenue.